Hello and welcome back to Tutor Radio. In this problem, we're given a system of equations, and given that the solution is xy, what is the value of x minus y? So first, to find the solution, we're going to do elimination. And we can start out by picking a variable to eliminate. Do we want to do x or y? Well, the coefficients are looking pretty similar between x and y, so let's just pick x. We want the x values to cancel out, so if we multiply this equation by 3, and this equation by 2, we're going to have 3 times 2x, which is 6x here. 2 times 3 is 6x here, so they're going to cancel out when we subtract the equations. So distributing out here, we have 3 times 2x is 6x, minus 3 times 3y is 9y, is equal to negative 14 times 3 is negative 42. Bottom equation, 2 times 3x is 6x, minus 2 times 2y is 4y, equals 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And again, we did this so that when we subtract the equations, we get 6x minus 6x is 0, so they just cancel out. Here we have negative 9y minus negative 4y would be negative 9y plus 4y, or negative 5y. And this is equal to negative 42 minus negative 12, which is the same as negative 42 plus 12, which is negative 30. Dividing both sides by negative 5, these cancel out, and we get y is equal to negative 30 divided by negative 5 is going to be 6. So now we have y, but we still need to get x. Luckily, if we plug it into the equation, we have 3x minus 2y. We know y is 6, so 2 times 6 is equal to negative 6. 3x minus 2 times 6 is 12, is equal to negative 6. Adding 12 on both sides cancels these, and we get 3x is equal to negative 6 plus 12, which is the same as 12 minus 6, 6. Dividing by 3, we get x is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. So what is the value of x minus y? Well, it's 2 minus 6, which is negative 4. So your final answer is going to be C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.